Hey YouTube. Okay, full disclosure, I was super skeptical about cloud mining for the longest time. Like, I genuinely thought it was all just elaborate scams. Every platform I looked at seemed shady, every review felt fake, and I kept thinking, there's no way this is real. But then I kept seeing people actually making money from it, and I'm like, am I missing something? So I decided to actually test it myself instead of just assuming everything's a scam. Spent way too much time and honestly lost some money in the process. But I did find one platform that actually works, and that's what I'm showing you today. Not because I'm trying to sell you on something, but because I genuinely wish someone had shown me this earlier so I wouldn't have wasted time on the garbage ones. All right, let's jump in. So first step, selecting which cryptocurrency I want to mine. I'll go with Litecoin for this one, but you've got options for basically everything. Bitcoin, ETH, USDT, Tron, Solana, all the main ones. Just doing LTC for this. Good? So now I got to input my payout wallet. So let me grab my wallet, one sec. Okay, copying my LTC address, making sure it's correct. Yeah, that's it. Switching back, pasting it right here, done. Now choosing my target amount, let me set this to, yes, this one. Okay, next part, kind of important, picking the hash power setting. So this controls how quickly the mining runs, basically. Higher means faster, but more expensive. Lower is cheaper, but slower. So there's a balance you gotta figure out. I'm setting mine to, yeah, that option looks reasonable. Cool. Last thing, clicking Start Mining, hitting it now, and there we go, running. You can see everything processing here, progress bar, estimated time, all that. So now I'm just waiting for it to complete. And okay, looks finished. Nice, that went pretty quick. So mining's done, and from here I can either launch another session or cash out what I made. But, key detail here, they need the infrastructure fee covered before they process withdrawals. It's all broken down right here. So yeah, keep in mind before using this app. Everything's displayed openly though. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick which coin I want to use for payment. Let me check what I've got. I'll use BTC for this. So I'm copying the address. All right, back to the site, clicking I've paid, and waiting for it to verify. Okay, so while this goes through and I'm waiting for my tokens to show up, let me explain what I really appreciate about cryptohash. The consistency. I've done maybe 15 or 16 sessions over the last 4 months, and it's been identical every time. Same steps, same transparent costs, same reliable outcomes. There's no hype, no flashy marketing, no act now pressure tactics. It's just straightforward and functional. And honestly, in the cloud mining world, boring is good. The platforms trying to excite you with bonuses and countdowns, those are the ones that usually disappear with your money. Here's why that matters so much to me. I've personally tested maybe 6 different cloud mining platforms over the past year, and I got scammed by 3 of them. The playbook was always the same. Everything works perfectly at first, you do a small withdrawal, it processes smoothly, you're feeling confident, so you go bigger on the next session. That's when the problems start. Suddenly there's wallet maintenance fees that weren't mentioned anywhere, or priority queue payments, or the support team just vanishes completely. I lost about $3,000 total across those scam platforms before I figured out what to look for. My biggest piece of advice, don't chase high returns. If a platform's advertising like 200% profits in a week, it's designed to hook you, not help you. Real cloud mining has modest, realistic returns. It's not exciting, but it's actually sustainable. The platforms that last are the ones with boring, steady performance. Anyway, if you're interested in trying this, the link's in the description and pinned in comments. Obviously research it yourself, but yeah, this one's been solid for me. If this helped, drop a like. Thanks for watching. Peace.